Hello, and welcome to Sleepy English. Today we explore a quiet 6-month reset, not running away, but stepping out of noise to rebuild your life with calm focus. If your days feel crowded and screens pull you in many directions, this talk is for you. We will define what disappear means in modern life, map a simple 6-month path that fits work and family. Design a repeatable day, prepare for hard moments, and plan your return without losing progress. You do not need a perfect plan, only small actions you can repeat. Disappearing does not mean hiding from people who love you. It means stepping back from noise that drains you. Fewer apps in your hand, fewer random plans on your calendar, fewer late nights with empty tasks. More deep work, steady health, attention to values, and care for your mind. Think of it as a quiet season. You still meet your duties at home and work, but you protect more time for what matters. Why does this help? Noise breaks focus. Focus builds skill. Skill builds confidence. Confidence builds a life you can trust. When you stop feeding noise for a season, attention returns, work deepens, the body recovers, and the mind clears. You become someone who keeps promises to yourself. That is the real change. Shape 6 months into gentle phases. In the first month, the goal is reset. Teach your brain and body a calmer rhythm. Wake without your phone. Breathe slowly, drink water, and step into daylight for a minute. Set a clear bedtime and stop late-night scrolling. Delete or hide apps that pull you off course. Tell close friends you will be less available and why. Do not try to do everything. Set the ground. In the second month, the goal is foundation. Choose one core area to support all others. Sleep or movement or food. If sleep is weak, guard evenings and dim the lights early. If movement is weak, walk most days and stretch your back and hips. If food is weak, learn a few simple meals that keep energy stable. Also choose one skill to grow this season. Do not pick 10 skills. Pick one and begin with short practice. 2 minutes is enough to cross the start. In the third month, the goal is focus. Create one daily block of deep work. 20 minutes is fine. Pick one clear task and give it full care. Close other tabs, silence your phone, and set a timer. When the bell rings, stop, breathe, drink water, and stand for a moment. If you have time, run a second block later. The aim is clean attention. Not speed. Begin recall. After learning, put notes away and say the idea in your own words. Say it out loud. Write it in a few lines. Or record a short message. Recall makes learning stick. In the fourth month, the goal is build. Keep the ground and deep work. And ship small results. If you write, finish a tiny article. If you code, publish a small tool. If you design, share a simple draft. If you study, pass a short practice test. Shipping turns practice into proof. It does not need to be perfect. It needs to be real and done. In the 5th month, the goal is deepen. Raise the quality a little. Ask for gentle feedback from someone you trust. Fix one thing at a time. Learn one tougher part of your skill. Do not add new goals. Make the current goal better. In the 6th month, the goal is return. Choose how to step back into the wider world without losing gains. Decide which apps stay off and which habits must stay on. Decide how many social events you can enjoy without breaking sleep. Share results by action, not loud posts. carry your new rhythm into the next season. To support these months, use a quiet day you can repeat. Morning is a gentle lever. When you wake, do not touch your screen. Sit up, place your feet on the floor, and take slow breaths. Drink a glass of water. If possible, feel daylight on your eyes. Write one short line for the day that points your compass. Keep it honest and simple. Begin with a 2-minute start. Open the file and type one true sentence. Open the book and read one page. Pick up the instrument and play one chord. 2 minutes removes fear. Often you will keep going. If you stop, you still kept your promise. That small win powers the next step. Late morning or early afternoon is good for a deep block. Choose one task. Close extra windows. Put the phone in another room. Set a calm timer. Work until it rings. Stand up, breathe, and drink water. If your day allows, do a second block later. Between blocks, keep movement light. Walk for 10 minutes. Stretch your neck, shoulders, and hips. These small moves help your brain more than 5 more minutes of tired staring. Screens need fences. Decide when you check messages and tell people those times. Mute extra alerts. Let your phone charge outside your bedroom. Make the first and last part of your day free from screens. Empty space is not a waste. It is the soil where focus grows. Evening is for closing loops. Take 1 minute to write a note to your future self. Name the first tiny step for tomorrow. Place the tool in view so your hands will meet it in the morning. List one thing to be thankful for. Then dim the lights and let sleep come. Sleep is the strongest skill in your 6 months. It repairs your body and makes learning stick. Some days will feel hard. Boredom will visit. Doubt will speak. Old habits will knock. You will want to scroll or skip. When this happens, use a floor plan. Breathe 3 times, drink water, and see daylight. Do a 2-minute start on your one thing and stop if you must. Keep the habit alive at the lowest level. A plan that bends will not break. Loneliness can appear when you reduce noise. Before the 6 months begin, choose 1 or 2 safe people for support. Share your reason with them. Ask to send a short weekly update. Keep it simple. What worked? What was hard? What you will try next. Support keeps you steady without pulling you back into drama. If you can, choose one small group where you can learn in silence alongside others, like a quiet class or a library table. Perfection will try to steal your joy. It will say your draft is not good, your walk is too short, your sleep is not perfect, your plan is not big enough. Answer with soft truth. Small is still real. Done is better than loud. Today is 1 brick. Bricks make walls. Walls make rooms. Rooms make homes. A home is built by many quiet days. Money, work, and family will not pause for 6 months. You cannot change everything, and you do not need to. Protect a few blocks of time. Make meals simpler. Say no to extra plans. Stop buying things you do not need. Let your calendar breathe. Finish tasks in smaller pieces. Remove drama from your schedule so you have space for life. Use short lines to guide your mind. A tiny start is strength. Focus is a gift you give yourself. Rest is part of the work. You are building a season, not a moment. You are allowed to try again tomorrow. After 6 months, you may not look different on the outside, but you will feel different on the inside. Your mind will trust your hands to begin. Your body will know your sleep time. Your work will have a fuller shape. Your screen will not own your first thoughts. You will have one skill that is deeper. When you return, do it slowly. Choose what to bring back and what to leave behind. Keep the morning without a phone, the deep block, the walk, and the short evening note. Add one social thing at a time and watch how it feels. If energy drops, say no with care and return to your rhythm. You do not owe the world your attention at all hours. You owe your life, your honest care. If you want a soft way to measure progress, do not count big wins. Count clear days. A clear day is one where you kept your morning, your deep block, your walk, or your sleep. 3 out of 4 is still clear. When a day is not clear, write one kind line and move on. This season is not a test. It is a reset. Picture the first day of your quiet season. You wake and breathe, drink water, and see the light. You write one sentence that points your compass. You touch your one thing for 2 minutes and then a little longer. You walk outside and let your eyes rest on far things. You eat a steady meal. You close the day with a note to your future self and one word of thanks. The day is simple and rare. If you repeat it, you will change. A 6-month season of focus is not vanishing. It is returning to yourself. When you return, the noise will still be there, but it will not control you. You will carry your own rhythm, and that rhythm will carry you